this 250-foot irrigation kit last year. I go camping 1 week a month, and I was worried about my plants along the outer edges of the yard not getting any water during the hot July and August months here in Central Texas. So this year I just unrolled it and put it right back where it had been last year. And surprisingly enough, everything works exactly the way it did last year. I just put each of the little watering pieces into each plant. It was easy to figure out which side which way because the little nozzles lined up with the plants that they needed to be on. Every nozzle still worked perfectly. Every connection still worked perfectly. I'm just blown away by this system. A year later, we went through several freezes this past winter, and none of these lines froze. There are no holes in any of it. It was easy for me to lay out and make sure all my plants are going to continue to get watered while I go camping this summer. And I'm pretty darn excited about this irrigation system. I think if you're looking for one, this would be a great product for you. If you found this video helpful, follow my shop for other home, DIY, gardening, and dog favorites, camping favorites too. Thanks for watching.